Hello, Porlok Poro, hello. Okay, good evening to each and everyone, and we have the first match of day 5 group stage. Here we have the fight between a match between Night Soul versus Ghost Esports. Night Soul versus Ghost Esports. Okay, on the left side we have Night Soul, and on the right side we have Ghost Esports. So welcome to each and every one of you who are watching the stream. So and it's my humble request to each and every one of you to please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. This is the first match of the night, and we still have 3 more matches after this. So please make sure to share the stream, and let's get some more viewers for the upcoming matches as well. So if you are supporting any of these teams, please make sure to spam in the live chat. And if you want to know which teams are going to play next, please make sure to check the description down below, and you'll see all the information there. So let's focus back to the fight. Here we have Tamus and Atlas being banned from Night Soul, and we have Julian and Valentina being banned from Team Ghost Esports. So we have Tiger and Franco. Okay, first tanks and first picks coming in from both the squads. So we have Tiger as a tank and Franco tank from Team Ghost Esports. So we have Sun being locked from Night Soul. We have Xavier locked from Team Ghost Esports. On the left side we have Night Soul, and on the right side we have Ghost Esports. Filbert Karpuria with a 20 super chat. Oh, paisa, kublish bun bro. Thank you so much, Filbert. Thank you, and shout out to Filbert Karpuria for that super chat. So, paralog baro yaklanlot. Yes, baro yaklanlot. VIP super chat. VIP super chat, Anna. Okay, we have Vale, third pick from Team Night Soul, and we have Paquito, third pick from Team Savage, Ghost Esports. Let's go both team, all the best. Okay, we have a supporter for both the teams. Oh, kanang gani ka turnip day, tang gani ka kilyang super chat, kilyang jang super chat, ki super sticker la PI kam delay la, tang ka chat ka delay, ka live chat ka delay bat. La da ai super chat bat kani ka super sticker hapo YouTube, la da pi delay ka stream makanaru kan poi kam delay ra hapo hanya hapo phone dang kan poi bat. GG Xavier, big fan bro. Carnage, okay. So we have Nathan, fourth pick from Ghost Esports. So we have Yin and 1-1 being banned from team from Night Soul and Ghost Esports. So do we have Alucard and Martis? Let's take a look, but we don't have any MM. Okay, we have Martis and Alucard. So it's going to be an interesting match to watch. We have 3 fighters from Team Night Soul. We have a tank and a mage. Martis, very good CC, but we have Leomord, the last pick coming in from Team Ghost Esports. So let's take a look and wait and see. Okay, we have Hyper, which is Alucard from Night Soul, and we have Leomord, Hyper from Team Ghost Esports. Carnage OP mage from Meghalaya. Kalaiter jong kajak sa item ngahapit bahala kalaiter. Kaja kalaiter ngamut biri break lu yo la biri break na ntar laitar to ma. Nyok biri break lah. Nyok biri break lah. Kut gelijk daar ja sa itu. I'm back bro, Kenjiro Lingdo. Hello bro. Haha, pisa tiệm mà tham có lời nhỉ. Pisa thì cũng ta hay kỹ năng thì YouTube. YouTube thì kỹ năng mà bạn ai. Cái yang pisa tiệm đi lìa ra. Ani ipen biet ihua super chat. Mde ba pen biet, mde ba pen biet kadai shisha kata. Mde ba pen biet. Ani nga khambana hiru, khamdan hiru ta jumut pen biet ru. Kat la si ong la. Ngai khamdan jumut iran pen biet ru. Nga ong pakakloy ban pa hang ni. Ta kham dilira. So we have Franco along with Xavier in mid lane. So we have Vale and Tigreal. Altogether, there are we going to see an invasion for blue buff from Leomord. Is it going to be above and be taken by Leomord? It's gonna be Alucard going for the charge on Alucard. Look at Alucard, very low in HP. He's gonna get charged by Leomord, and Leomord managed to take the buff. And we have Franco has been taken down. Oof. Alucard, very lucky for Alucard, he still managed to survive from that fight against Leomord. So we have one kill already from Night Soul against Franco. Franco died once, and Leomord got that buff from Team Night Soul. KS can do but squad baklan. Yuzuki Alumo. Oi boss, actor, why always me? Okay, so we've got some viewers here. Oh, what a hook against that gold minion. So we have so many viewers already. So it's my humble request to each and every one of you to please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. You can also share the stream because we still have 3 more matches after this. So let's get some more viewers and enjoy the stream together. Lajab John Carnage. Habbo artli ka phone bansuk kapit masjid. Chok en bro ngapu artli ka phone. Ngapu artli ka phone. Artli ka phone kibot ngapit kumno pat ka masjid. Okay, that's a turtle has been taken down by Leomord from team Ghost Esports. So we have Marcus has been taken down. There is Cycle has been taken down as well. A charge coming in from Leomord, but Vale without Flicker Spell managed to escape from the fight against all those 3 players from Ghost Esports. So another invasion for a red buff coming in from Team Ghost Esports. So now that buff is going to be taken by Leomord. So we have Sanna has been taken down by Nathan. So Nathan managed to get that kill in top lane. So we have Franco going to try to invade, but Alucard managed to take down the red buff. What Jupen Snap ya aktor pi Goku. Jupen Snap ra ngai te kena kai bahat. Daka istik. Hot me daka istik. Okay, look at our charge coming in from Tiger, and Tiger is gonna fall back. We have Sun is being charged. He's very low in HP, and Nathan managed to take down that kill. Will he be able to take down Tiger? We have Vale has been taken down. Oh, Vale died as well. So we have only Tiger solo play here from Team Night Soul. It's a charge coming in from Leomord from down south. This is going to be Tiger is going to go down, and that's a kill. 4 versus 1 from Team Ghost Esports. Goku naipen biet ngem biet. Okay, bro. So we have Leomord trying to. Okay, it's gonna go for the buff Leomord. So we have Nathan back again. It's going to be a 2 versus 1. Nathan versus Sun versus Alucard. Will he be able to take a kill? Oh, look at that kill from Nathan, or from Alucard. I mean, Alucard managed to take down, and he's been taken down as well. And it's only Tiger surviving there in top lane. So we have Xavier trying to activate the turtle, but turtle is reset back to full HP. So we have 2 players there against 2 players from Night Soul against Leomord. Will be able to steal that buff from Team Night Soul. So Franco missed that hook, but Leomord managed to take down the buff. knock uhos. Done Okay, what a nice hook coming in from Franco. Oh, bhai Sam. And Tiger is being charged, being used ulti from Franco, and there it is. That's a kill. And we have Tiger has been taken down. So there is a flick coming in from Franco and a hook. And there it is. Martis has been taken down. So we have 4 players all together in bottom lane. So we have in bottom lane. We have Paquito along with Vale. Paquito waiting for Vale and Martis here to make a movement. There it is. It's going to be a charge coming in from Paquito against Martis. But we have Alucard managed to take down a kill, and he's been taken down as well. We have Leomord gonna try to take down this mid-lane turret, and we have Xavier will be able to get a kill against Tiger. Tiger very low on HP, and there it is. Xavier has been taken down with that turret shot, and we have Sun with that recall spell managed to teleport himself to his top lane base. Top lane turret, and managed to defend that turret from those minions. So we have Leomord again trying to take the blue buff against Franco, or with Franco I mean. Hana uang uyo alu red buff apa uyo blue buff menung ang bro. Nampak sira masih jang u aktor. That but. Ki blue kila bakal pick klam marksman pinjar dan push. Kap kacat dong aktor nampak sira ngan ignore bank na do mentah ba ithat. Nang dok man clear. That seban dulu. Okay, we have all 4 players here from team Ghost Esports. Okay, they are waiting inside the bush and waiting for the players from team Night Soul to make a move or make if any players from Night Soul gonna move forward. There is a charge coming in from Franco right inside this turret here, and there is Paquito has been taken down. A charge coming in from Tiger managed to take down 1 hero at least. Leomord has been taken down, and 2 players down from team Ghost Esports. So 1 player which is Martis has been taken down from Night Soul. So let's look at the builds while everyone is still busy trying to clear those minions, and we have team Ghost Esports and Night Soul trying to go for the charge against Lord, and there it is. We have Lord has been taken down, and we have Franco has been charged by Alucard and still managed to survive with only 1 HP. So we have Franco gonna teleport back to base. So we have Vale is being charged by Paquito. Vale will be able to survive. It's going down. He's gonna go down. Vale is gonna get killed, and it is Xavier managed to kill down that kill, and Alucard trying to go for the charge against Xavier, and he managed to get a kill, but he's being charged by Leomord as well. He's getting low in HP, and Leomord managed to get a kill against Alucard. So there it is. We have Sun along with Tiger, but we have Leomord gonna try to go for the charge. Sun has been taken down by Leomord. There's a perfect ultimate coming in from Tiger. Will he be able to get a kill? And Tiger has been taken down, and last player second last player has been taken down from team Night Soul, which is Martis, and only Vale still standing. Will be able to defend his mid lane turret, and it seems like 3 players from team Ghost Esports going to be able to take down this mid lane turret. So it's it's gonna be an invasion for red buff from team Ghost Esports. Penhe come up vision banyo iba come up vision thak la penhe pisa bapit pa pinto nam iba ra ngai na dia tanga iba kan pisa bapit stream part yo hero ro kun tip hero you to buy a fight ro red plat ki hero patan ko wi pi karena kapor tentang tala ya fight ngela he ka caka ka lempung punya fight ke ngala you pen he screen tambah ni pat kibun by fight by hawi jaka pi kim long ra ar jaka ka jing fight takada kana sul flop takata ka wi ken bamdan marksman kata ka wi hadu like di fighter te gunjar la ban push Nada yo makana wipe out ru am jenjar ban push kene game. Plus bikin yo ban epic comeback ru am enemy kala kham jenjar dan marksman. Nomor adu lain ngut fighter. Okay, there's a lot coming in from team and Ghost Esports. Punch GG hook. Ndai ro punch ma PURGE. Oh piong te hero au tu kerteng IGN. Ngapa belum piong punch napa tu tala punch. Okay, all the players from Team Ghost Esports are waiting right outside this Night Souls base. So are we going to see a hook coming in from Franco? Still waiting outside this wall and waiting for the right moment to hook any players from Team Night Soul. And Nathan managed to take down a million base turret, and we have Paquito gonna be able to take down bottom lane base turret. There it is, and we have only top lane base turret still standing, and Lord is gonna come in from top lane. So we have another hero from Team Night Soul has been taken down. We have another one, which is Alucard and Martis. Only 3 players still standing. Ultimate coming in from Tiger. Will he be able to get a charge at least? And no kill has been taken yet from Night Soul. And let's take a look. Tiger has been taken down. Nathan managed to take down Bale. Only 1 player still standing, which is Sun. And there it is. It's going to be a win for Team Ghost Esports. Congratulations for Ghost Esports. They managed to take down Lord, and they are letting Lord go his own lane, and they are trying to push from mid lane and bottom lane. They managed to take down the 2 base turrets from mid lane and bottom lane, and they are leaving Lord doing his own job, taking that top lane base turret. And finally all the minions are gathering together in the main base, and all the players from Team Ghost Esports are gathering together, and they are taking one by one, and the Lord is tanking, and finally they got a win against Night Soul. GG, well played for Night Soul, and congratulations to Team Ghost Esports for winning. So stay tuned, we will be right back with the next match. Temo lek kai alu, lek kai lio nga 1v1 ya alu mjula penyap ya alu. Taruh alu club ulti. Temo kibam itu ada kibam jula kai mal video. Okay bro, okay kadai.
Yeah, let's get it. It's you against the world, better figure out fast who the hell you could trust. If you wanna make it past all the fakes and the lust, better figure out fast. Nah, this ain't what you want, you don't want it that bad. Can you give up all your stuff? Pay attention to the facts and forget the media. Figure out your own path, can you figure out love? Or do you feel wrath? Can you hone that feeling and create an impact? Go get it, if you want it, go get it. Get with it, ain't nobody gon' give it your ticket, gonna take a quick minute. Don't quit it, figure out your own limit. Life is a test of best, make progress. Figure out what is next and carve a path, yes. No, they never second guess. Take a chance, no regret. If you wanna take a breath, give your blood and your sweat on. When everything just breaks from all of your mistakes, don't let yourself feel down. lost everything, are you free to do anything? Only when you've lost everything are you free to do anything. And then when you lost everything, you lose the chance. And when everything is gone and you're feeling all alone, don't let life get you down. You could figure it out. And when everything is gone and you're feeling all alone, don't let life get you down. You could figure it out. I'm a sick nut, I like a quick buck. Wanna know what? I'm about to blow up. Caffeine in my cup, not lean in the blood. On the scene like a flood, and I've been through the mud. No, I can't get enough, like a challenge, make it tough. No, it's not a bluff, cause I live for this stuff. And I take off the gloves just to break on my knucks. When I'm down on my luck, pick myself back up. Heavy hitter, and you know I'm not a quitter. No beginner, gonna be a steady winner. Maybe sinner, every time I rhyme it's killer. What's a dinner? About to be the breadwinner. No cake, cause it's not my birthday. It's a work day, every day's a Thursday. Man, I'm thirsty for the grind and wordplay. You can't hurt me, cause I already hurt me. When everything just breaks from all of your mistakes, don't let yourself feel down. Don't let yourself just drown. When you've lost everything, are you free to do anything? Only when you've lost everything are you free to do anything. Only when you've lost everything are you free to do anything. And then when you lost everything, you lose the chance. And when everything is gone and you're feeling all alone, don't let life get you down. You could figure it out. And when everything is gone and you're feeling all alone, don't let life get you down. You could figure it out. Yeah, let's get it. It's you against the world, better figure out fast who the hell you could trust. If you wanna make it past all the fakes and the lust, better figure out fast. Nah, this ain't what you want, you don't want it that bad. Can you give up all your stuff? Pay attention to the facts and forget the media. Figure out your own path, can you figure out love? Or do you feel wrath? Can you hone that feeling and create an impact? Go get it, if you wanna go get it. Get with it, ain't nobody gon' give it your ticket, gonna take a quick minute. Don't quit it, figure out your own limit. Life is a test, the best make progress. Figure out what is next and carve a path. Yes, no, they never second guess. Take a chance, no regret. If you wanna take a breath, give your blood and your sweat on. When everything just breaks from all of your mistakes, don't let yourself feel down. Don't let yourself just drown. When you've lost everything, are you free to do anything? Only when you've lost everything are you free to do anything. Only when you've lost everything are you free to do anything. And then when you lost everything, you lose the chance. And when everything is gone and you're feeling all alone, don't let life get you down. You could figure it out. And when everything is gone and you're feeling all alone, don't let life get you down. You could sick nut, I like a quick buck. Wanna know what? I'm about to blow up. Caffeine in my cup, not lean in the blood. On the scene like a flood, and I've been through the mud. No, I can't get enough, like a challenge, make it tough. No, it's not a bluff, cause I live for this stuff. And I take off the gloves just to break on my knucks. When I'm down on my luck, pick myself back up. Heavy hitter, and you know I'm not a quitter. No beginner, gonna be a steady winner. Maybe sinner, every time I rhyme is killer. What's a dinner? About to be the breadwinner. No cake, cause it's not my birthday. It's a work day, every day's a Thursday. Man, I'm thirsty for the grind and wordplay. You can't hurt me, cause I already hurt me.
When everything just breaks from all of your mistakes, don't let yourself feel down. Don't let yourself just drown. When you've lost everything, are you free to do anything? Only when you've lost everything are you free to do anything. Only when you've lost everything are you free to do anything. And then when you lost everything, you lose the chance.
And when everything is gone, yeah, let's get it. It's you against the world, better figure out fast who the hell you could trust. If you wanna make it past all the fakes and the lust, better figure out fast. Nah, this ain't what you want, you don't want it that bad. Can you give up all your stuff? Pay attention to the facts and forget the media. Figure out your own path, can you figure out love? Or do you feel wrath? Can you hone that feeling and create an impact? Go get it, if you wanna go get it. Get with it, ain't nobody gon' give it your ticket, gonna take a quick minute. Don't quit it, figure out your own limit. Life is a test, the best make progress. Figure out what is next and carve a path, yes. No, they never second guess, take a chance, no regret. If you wanna take a breath, give your blood and your sweat.
When everything just breaks from all of your mistakes, don't let yourself feel down. Don't let yourself just drown. When you've lost everything, are you free to do anything? Only when you've lost everything are you free to do anything. Only when you've lost everything are you free to do anything. And then when you lost everything, you lose the chance.
And when everything is gone, I'm a sick nut, I like a quick buck. Wanna know what? I'm about to blow up. Caffeine in my cup, not lean in the blood. On the scene like a flood, and I've been through the mud. No, I can't get enough, like a challenge, make it tough. No, it's not a bluff, cause I live for this stuff. And I take off the gloves just to break on my knucks. When I'm down on my luck, pick myself back up. Heavy hitter, and you know I'm not a quitter. No beginner, gonna be a steady winner. Maybe sinner, every time I rhyme is killer. What's a dinner? About to be the breadwinner. No cake, cause it's not my birthday. It's a work day, every day's a Thursday. Man, I'm thirsty for the grind and wordplay. You can't hurt me, cause I already hurt me.
When everything just breaks from all of your mistakes, don't let yourself feel down. Don't let yourself just drown. When you've lost everything, are you free to do anything? Only when you've lost everything everything are you free to do anything? Only when you've lost everything are you free to do anything. And then when you lost everything you lose the chance. And when everything is gone and you're feeling all alone, don't let life get you down. You could figure it out. And when everything is gone and you're feeling all alone, don't let life get you down. You could figure it out.
Ni ka game ka slam palat ni ka ayu la. Ni ka imut tap du player bompat register ni takada la slam. Gele shile te ban tap habla om sha shuru lat sedang ke tournament tap shitam. That la. Just tu da ki beliau da om tap shuru ki player ba you. Tu kan aslam kai ka apang tu ban thien tu player ban le nom no. Mah dengar suang pai ki beliau ki bai register tournament da ye ki rules jongka mah jongki organizer de banaya la ailat ka por kat tu banya rectification ni ki squad ban rectification ni ka team la ailat uri ura tang ba om ya ngap da mentala zangka match pan seong man tap duta Msa sura menta te namar bekla idap submit tik substitute man komno ban rectify mentala don ka match
I am he and always will be, no matter
Juan
what.
ban u got free te napo savage napo Savage Kings te ngong mi bompat
My
te na
magic
mau player
flows
register
as freely as the
ke
wind.
sawan no te u player bu yu kan bala register mla ban le sidang dai mdai ra ta apkan update ma kan ka match kadai hapreng jong ka
Night sky tells
DeadlyMortalDEMO
all.
DeadlyMortalDEMO versus Savage Kings. DeadlyMortalDEMO versus Savage Kings. DeadlyMortalDEMO versus Savage Kings. On the left side we have DeadlyMortalDEMO, and on the right side we have
The
Savage
southern
Kings.
seas are my
So
domain.
we have Valentina and Xavier being banned from team DeadlyMortalDEMO. So we have Julian. You have Julian and Faramis. Đây. We know Pyong too, okay? Faramis being banned from team
Love the smell of gunpowder.
Savage Kings. So we have Yin, Dairot, and Kadita,
I'm
3
bound
picks
by
from
nothing,
team
be it family or
DeadlyMortalDEMO. So
destiny.
we have Vale, Esmeralda, and Franco, 3 picks from team Savage Kings.
My
Among
pleasure.
an pin yaka live chat. Okay, we have Atlas and Johnson, last pick coming in from, last two picks coming in from team DeadlyMortalDEMO, and we have Thamos and Moskov, the last two picks coming in from team Savage Kings. So, well, all the viewers, come on. This is the second match of the for tonight, and we still have two more matches after this. So please stay tuned and get some more viewers. Please make sure to like the stream and subscribe for those of you who haven't subscribed. And we'll enjoy together the next two more matches after this. So for those of you who wants to know who's going to play in the next two matches, please make sure to check the description box, and you'll get the information about the next matches. So the match is starting between team KHASI between DeadlyMortalDEMO versus Savage Kings. Come on, let's get some more likes. Come on, let's go, let's get some more viewers. Haven't you shared the stream, guys? Please make sure to share the stream, and let's get some more viewers and more likes. Yesterday we got around 75 likes. Can we beat 75? Can we get to 80 likes for tonight? Let's get to 80 likes. Come on, let's go. So we have Hyper, which is Yin from team oh, what a nice hook coming in from Franco, and Atlas is losing some HP there in mid lane. So we have Hyper Yin from team DeadlyMortal, and we have Thamos Hyper from team Savage Kings. So let's take a look at Esmeralda here being in fight against three players. Look at that rotation coming in from Atlas and Kagura, but Esmeralda is still managed to escape from that gang coming in from team DeadlyMortalDEMO. But we have a bottom lane in Johnson has been taken down from team DeadlyMortal against three players from Savage Kings, Vale, Thamos, and along with Franco. Look at all these three players always sticking together, and a perfect hook coming in from Franco. Will he be able to get a kill? Kadita with very low on HP still managed to survive, but Vale has been taken down by Yin, and there it is. Will he be able to get a double kill? Yes, there's a double kill from Yin, and will he be able to get a triple kill against Thamos? But Thamos is going to be very hard to kill. It seems like Thamos is going to try to take down Yin, but Yin still managed to escape, but still he's been taken down. I thought he's going to be able to escape, but he's been taken down by Thamos instead. And we have Atlas. Atlas is losing HP there, and he's going to teleport back to base. Turtle is already on his feet, and we have a charge coming in from Thamos from team Savage Kings. No marksman, blue team. Yes, we already know. No, blue team. Yes, I mean blue team. Yes, there's no marksman. We have two fighters. We have two tanks from team DeadlyMortalDEMO. So there's a turtle from a team Savage Kings by Thamos. We have a charge coming in from Franco, and Thamos managed to take down Kadita. We are going to see another kill from team Savage Kings. Look at Dyrot, very low in HP, and he's been taken down by Esmeralda. And we have Thamos has been taken down by Yin as well. So we have two players all together here from team DeadlyMortalDEMO, and Esmeralda is being charged by Yin, and Esmeralda is gonna fall back. We have Johnson is being charged by these two players, which is Franco and Vale. He's losing half of his HP, and a help is coming in from Yin and from Kadita. We have Solo Moskov here trying to push, trying to do his own job here, trying to take this bottom lane turret. And we have Johnson on his way trying to defend those minions, and Moskov as well. So we have Atlas and Kadita still sticking in mid lane, and a missed hook from Franco. We have a fight happening here between Dyrot and Esmeralda. So he's going to be the hero going to be taken down here in the top lane. So we have Esmeralda losing some HP, and a gang coming in from Atlas, and they are being spotted. Look at the charge, and Franco is going to go. Yes, Franco is going to go down. Look at Franco. He managed to get a hook, I thought Franco is going to go down, but still he managed to survive with only 1 HP, and now he's going to teleport back to base. We have a fight in bottom lane as well, but we are focusing on top lane fight. So let's take a look at top lane fight again. We have Dyrod is low in HP, and he's going to be charged with Franco. Look at Franco. Oh, he almost got that hook against Dyrod, which is having only 1 HP. So Franco is going to teleport back to base to regenerate his mana and his HP. Moskov is always doing his job, and he's been killed once in bottom lane. I guess that was a kill by Johnson against Moskov, and he's still focusing in bottom lane, but there's a help coming in from Franco. Will he be able to take down Johnson? Johnson being a tank is going to be very hard to take down from 2 players by team Savage Kings. Oh, Johnson! He doesn't know that there are so many players from Team Savage Kings, and he just get that U-turn from driving. So we have a charge coming in, and there it is, a hook coming in from Franco, but he missed that ultimate. He's using his ultimate brilliant. So there it is, we have a fight happening, and we have one hero has been taken down, which is Moskov. In bottom lane we have Esmeralda managed to take down Dyrod in top lane. So it's going to be a turret down, going to be taken down by Team Savage Kings. There's a turtle been taken down by Yin from Team DeadlyMortalDEMO. KHASI pick, bro. 90 likes today. Let's go. Yes, let's go for 90 likes. Come on. Yesterday, no, 80 likes is more than enough. 80 likes is more than enough. Yesterday we got 75 likes in stream. So if we got 80 likes, it's more than enough. Okay. 5 likes extra every day. If we got 5 likes extra, then it's more than enough. Yesterday we got 75 likes. Can we get to 80 likes for tonight? So we have a charge, and Yin has been taken down. It's an easy kill for Team Savage Kings, and there it is. Kadita has been taken down, and now it's going to be a very bad situation for Team DeadlyMortalDEMO. They don't have a marksman, so it's going to be very hard for them to go for the push. And we have a charge coming in from Franco. He's playing solo here. He's not riding with anyone, and Thamos is gonna flick from that wall, I guess. And look at that. He's gonna be charged by 2 players from Team DeadlyMortalDEMO, and he's flicking himself backwards. And there it is, an ultimate and a hook coming in from Franco. It seems like one hero is gonna go down, which is Dyrod from Team DeadlyMortalDEMO. And is it going to be another kill? We have Applause is very low in HP, and we have Turret has been taken down by Moskov in bottom lane. We have Yen has been taken down. It's an ultimate by Franco. We have Kadita has been taken down. Oof, Kadita has been taken down, and we have Applause is very low in HP. Well, okay, Paisa. He still managed to escape from Esmeralda. So we have a charge coming in from Johnson. He's going for a U-turn, and he's not gonna charge in mid lane. So we have Moskov still focusing in trying to push bottom lane, and he's doing a very good job. And look at the charge coming in from Johnson. Will he be able to get a kill? It seems like Moskov gonna be able to escape, or maybe he's gonna get stunned by Johnson. There it is, a stun coming in from Johnson, and there it is, a kill by Johnson against Moskov. And we have back to the fight in mid lane. We have Yin using his ultimate, and we have Esmeralda very low on HP, still managed to escape from Yin. So we have a perfect hook coming in, and Kadita managed to take down a kill against Vale, and there's a perfect ultimate from Johnson, perfect ride from Johnson. We have Esmeralda has been taken down, so Yin is gonna try to take the turtle, and now they are 10 kills already for Team DeadlyMortalDEMO, and 11 kills for Team Savage Kings. And Franco is waiting inside the jungle and giving a perfect vision, and he's waiting for the right moment to hook that turtle. And let's take a look. Oof, almost got that turtle, and we have Yin managed to take down the turtle. So we have Dyrod has been taken down by Team Savage Kings. So 1 man down from Team DeadlyMortalDEMO. So look at Thamos is in charge, and there is help coming in from Esmeralda as well. But Thamos has been taken down by Kadita, and Esmeralda has been taken down as well. So 2 players down from Team Savage Kings. Now 5 players still standing from Team DeadlyMortalDEMO. So now is a chance for DeadlyMortalDEMO. They have taken down Moskov as well. So they have only 2 players from Team Savage Kings. So that's not much of a problem for team DeadlyMortalDEMO, which is blue team, right? Thamus versus Dyrod. Let's go. Ani Johnson. T7 lade ban khot yaba Goku ban long commentator SPL. lade ban ong nga sala lade ban aikam sai nga. Tomat as me do kumbarap minam la Goku dakai. What a perfect hook from Franco, but he's using an ultimate. He hooks at the last and he uses ultimate in Johnson. Oh, what a nice skill from Franco. So now let's take a look. Oh, Veil has been taken down by Yin inside the ultimate, and we have another threat has been taken down by those minions. So we have one hero has been taken down. One hero down from DeadlyMortalDEMO, and one hero down from Savage Kings. Gushan said that break the limit, so break 90 plus like. Yes, break 90 plus like. Come on, help me out in getting 90 plus like. There it is. Dyrod has been taken down from a team DeadlyMortalDEMO. It's a 4v1, right, on top lane just now. So we have Esmeralda trying to give some visions against those players, especially Yin. Yin is trying to wait for the right moment, maybe against Moskov and Veil, because Moskov and Veil perfect for Yin, but Veil already have that immortality built. But let's take a look. He's gonna die twice, right? Everybody has to die, even though you have immortality, but it depends on how the blue team gonna play out on this one. They don't have an MM, so it's going to be very hard for them to go for a push, even though we have got an equal scores here, 14 by 14 from both the squads. So a perfect charge coming in from Johnson, but he's riding solo, and Moskov is gonna die. Okay, it is. Moskov has been taken down, and now we have DeadlyMortalDEMO managed to take down one player and one man down from Team Savage Kings, and we have Thamus. Thamus managed to take down Lord from Team Savage Kings, and a waste of Lord for Team DeadlyMortalDEMO. And it seems like Thamus is going to go down, but he still managed to take down Dyrod with himself into the grave. So we have Veil and Esmeralda, the only two players still standing from Team Savage Kings. So Johnson is going to die in a fight against Esmeralda. So we have Yin. He's gonna use his ultimate against Esmeralda, and Esmeralda is gonna die. There it is. So we have Lord on his way, trying to push on his way in mid lane, but we have Savage Kings are less in number. The players are still reviving mode, and we have 3 players still remaining from Team DeadlyMortalDEMO. Why only 12 viewers? Sen 8 tomak tay Dyrod, sen 8 tomak tay Dyrod ba pli pau kertang kill feed tang poriam. (064) lah Dyrod. Pau kertang tang poriam, nak suang di tu. Tam jajai am tu, kita kemat. Himla banong mo dan epic comeback nun apa DeadlyMortalDEMO ni siang bet la jot kembelong tu ka match menen kan mau ka match menen na men sisngina tu ba epic comeback hadu mingga minyan layo hadu borok live ligilian seru dang epic comeback la su opiri menen ka match. Look at Yin, solo player, and he's gonna die. He's being surrounded. He still managed to take down Moskov, just like I said before, but he still managed to survive. What Yin? Where is Yin? Oh my god, he still managed to survive. I thought he was going to be taken down. A perfect ultimate coming in from Atlas. It's going to be one hero down from Team DeadlyMortalDEMO. But Franco has been taken down, and look at that ultimate from Kadika. Yeah, Esmeralda has been taken down. Oh, Thamus has been taken down by Yin. Look at that. Kibido. Look at that. We have Veil has been taken down, so it's a wipe out from Team DeadlyMortalDEMO. Ii kaktian jonga kaboong jonga pet kan sayo obet ya ka epic comeback. Takadaw today ban judge mo today ban judge ki players. Nada ki yo makana 0 kill ru nrei pihak pet karukam support karukam rotation. Ke na banong ya pertama pet ki yo epic comeback pan ni pet tang Esmeralda dapat Moskov balang in minta. Franco on his way. We have Esmeralda trying to go for the early charge, trying to defend as soon as possible against team DeadlyMortalDEMO from taking that turret. So we have a charge from, oh my god, what a nice ultimate from Kadita. Very close one. Very close. Only 1 HP. Kadita still managed to activate her ultimate. Come on, let's get some more viewers. Why only 18 viewers? Come on, let's get to 40, 50 viewers in total. We have Lord gonna be charged by Team DeadlyMortalDEMO, but Team Savage Kings, they are not gonna let it happen. Oh, Johnson charge against Franco. They have to reset Lord. They have to fall back. They shouldn't charge for Lord right now. We have, oh, what a nice kill. Kadita managed to take down Esmeralda, and Atlas is gonna die. Atlas, he still have that immortality build, and he still managed to survive. We have Dyrod is very low on HP. He's gonna fall back from the fight, and ultimate being used from Yin inside the boxing ring. From Yin will be able to get a kill. Moskov managed to take down Atlas. So we have one player down from Team DeadlyMortalDEMO. We have 2 players down from Team Savage Kings. Yin managed to take down Lord. Kadita managed to take down Moskov. Johnson is taken down by Zil. Oh, look at that! Johnson very low on HP. Or Tammuz is very low on HP. And he still managed to escape with his 2 teammates, which is Esmeralda and Zil. So Lord is gonna be on his way from mid lane from Team DeadlyMortalDEMO. Near the game 3 no bro, this is second game bro, this is second game. This is second game between DeadlyMortalDEMO versus Savage Kings. It's going to be 1 hero down there. It is Dyrod has been taken down from Team DeadlyMortalDEMO. LOL 4 versus 5. Okay, bhai stop. So there it is. Mid lane turret is gonna go down, and but there's no one from Team DeadlyMortalDEMO to help Lord in taking that turret. Player Ludu 1v4. Oh bhai stop. Look at the chats. Look at the chats. Bye. Okay, 21 viewers. Come on, let's get to 80 likes. Can you help me get 80 likes? We already have 28 likes already. So let's get to 30, 40, and finally let's get to 80 likes. Yesterday we got 70 likes. Yesterday we got 75 likes. Can we get to 80 likes for tonight? And that ultimate coming from Atlas. He managed to get only Thomas inside his ultimate, but Kadita come in with the splash damage. Ultimate managed to take down 1 hero, and Yin managed to take down Franco, and Thomas has been taken down as well. Only 2 players still standing from Team Savage Kings. And there it is. We have 1 player has been taken out, which is Atlas, and Esmeralda managed to take down Atlas. Mid lane baster has been taken down, bottom lane baster has been taken down, so only top lane baster is still standing. So now the minions are gonna try to do their own job, trying to push the main base from Team DeadlyMortalDEMO. Wow, epic comeback. Yes, just like I said, epic comeback might be happening from Team DeadlyMortalDEMO. But let's wait and see. Maybe another epic comeback is gonna come in from Team Savage Kings. It's not the end yet, okay? It's not the end yet. Until and unless we've seen the word victory, okay? Until and unless we've seen the word victory in this match, then the match hasn't ended yet, okay? Right now, the match hasn't ended yet, so it's still going on, and nobody is winning right now. So both the teams are still fighting to get a win in this match. So we can't predict yet, okay? Because both the teams are OP in this second match here. It has been going on for 18 minutes already. 80 minutes and 30 seconds. So we have a perfect charge coming in from Atlas. Who's going to go down in this fight? Look at that. CC coming in on Dyrod. Nice to take down one here. Mask has been taken down. Dyrod has been taken down. Camos has been taken down. Only 2 players still standing from Team Savage Kings. 4 players still standing from Team DeadlyMortalDEMO. And there it is. Johnson with a charge against Veil. And Veil is going to go down. He have that immortality build and he's still gonna stand up because he have that immortality build. Let's take a look. We have Esmeralda trying to help Veil out, but Veil is gonna go down there. Look at Veil. He's trying to fall back and he's being taken down by him inside the ultimate. So we have Atlas being in charge with Esmeralda, and there it is. Atlas have immortality build, and it's going to be a win for Team DeadlyMortalDEMO, which is an epic comeback for DeadlyMortalDEMO, and GG, well played to Savage Kings as well. Congratulations to DeadlyMortalDEMO for winning in this match. So stay tuned, we still have 2 more matches after this. We will be right back.
Sometimes it appears that we're reaching a period when our senses and our minds will no longer respond to moderate stimulation.
Trapped in a nightmare, in my mind everything that I might fear, and I fight to get by, get my mind clear. Everything's picking sides and I'm right here. I'm running from things that I've done in my past, hoping to become someone that could last. Get out of my way, I'm on the attack. Got something to say and I'm not holding back. Don't be a little bitch in my way, I'll say it to your face. I'd say it to myself and I'll put you in your place. In this world is my prey, I kill without a trace. Give a fuck what you say, cause they'll go my way. Make a buck from the pain, not enough, I'm insane. Wanna leave a stain on this world on your brain. You won't ever be the same, grab the wheel, grab the reins. Gotta talk to yourself, scare away all the pain.
Who are you inside? I'm sick of never feeling quite right. I'm gonna make a change this time. You better do the same and climb. Are you just a regret? Are you always upset? Do you need to reset? Figure out what's up next. Trust me, take a deep breath. Everything you'll forget. This is now a real threat to every doubt in your head.
I'm sick of the declining mental health. How about you go help out your fucking self? Take control of your life, don't need no one else. It's about time that we all get help from ourselves, like a fucking shelf. Stack the chairs up and find a way to do it all by yourself. We're always deferring to somebody else. The key is to show everybody, don't tell. My God, are we all to blame? We should feel ashamed. It drives me insane. It feels like a game. We all lose and blame someone else cause we feel like they rigged the game. But no, ain't nobody ever gonna stop you. Put your mind to it, nobody will drop you. All the way to the top, never stop you. Got one life to live, so see it right through.
Are you inside? I'm sick of never feeling quite right. I'm gonna make a change this time. You better do the same and climb. Are you just a regret? Are you always upset? Do you need to reset? Figure out what's up next. Trust me, take a deep breath. Everything you'll forget. This is now a real threat to every doubt in your head.
Sometimes it appears that we're reaching a period when our senses and our minds will no longer respond to moderate stimulation.
Trapped in a nightmare, in my mind everything that I might fear. And I fight to get by, get my mind clear. Everything's picking sides and I'm right here. I'm running from things that I've done in my past, hoping to become someone that could last. Get out of my way, I'm on the attack. Got something to say and I'm not holding back. Don't be a little bitch in my way, I'll say it to your face. I'd say it to myself and I'll put you in your place. And this world is my prey, I kill without a trace. Give a fuck what you say, cause they'll do my way. Make a buck from the pain, not enough, I'm insane. Wanna leave a stain on this world, on your brain. You won't ever be the same, grab the wheel, grab the reins. Gotta talk to yourself, scare away all the pain.
Who are you inside? I'm sick of never feeling quite right. I'm gonna make a change this time. You better do the same and climb. Are you just a regret? Are you always upset? Do you need to reset? Figure out what's up next. Trust me, take a deep breath. Everything you'll forget. This is now a real threat to every doubt in your head.
I'm sick of the declining mental health. How about you go help out your fucking self? Take control of your life, don't need no one else. It's about time that we all get help from ourselves, like a fucking shelf. Stack the chairs up and find a way to do it all by yourself. We're always deferring to somebody else. The key is to show everybody, don't tell. My God, are we all to blame? We should feel ashamed. It drives me insane. It feels like a game. We all lose and blame someone else cause we feel like they rigged the game. But no, ain't nobody ever gonna stop you. Put your mind to it, nobody will drop you. All the way to the top, never stop you. Got one life to live, so see it right through.
Are you inside? I'm sick of never feeling quite right. I'm gonna make a change this time. You better do the same and climb. Are you just a regret? Are you always upset? Do you need to reset? Figure out what's up next. Trust me, take a deep breath. Everything you'll forget. This is now a real threat to every doubt in your head.
Sometimes it appears that we're reaching a period when our senses and our minds will no longer respond to moderate stimulation.
Trapped in a nightmare, in my mind everything that I might fear. And I fight to get by, get my mind clear. Everything's picking sides and I'm right here. I'm running from things that I've done in my past, hoping to become someone that could last. Get out of my way, I'm on the attack. Got something to say and I'm not holding back. Don't be a little bitch in my way, I'll say it to your face. I'd say it to myself and I'll put you in your place. And this world is my prey, I kill without a trace. Give a fuck what you say, cause they'll do my way. Make a buck from the pain, not enough, I'm insane. Wanna leave a stain on this world, on your brain. You won't ever be the same, grab the wheel, grab the reins. Gotta talk to yourself, scare away all the pain.
Who are you inside? I'm sick of never feeling quite right.
Okay, lalong. Tuh, last dang mentah. Kani di ka match pedang jong ke Deadlock versus KHASI ØGs. Ini pikai kani ka match mentah mo. On the left side we have Deadlock, and on the right side we have KHASI ØGs.
I am more than a weapon.
Lam ha, ani tedong.
Still
Long
swords.
na tang balik sabar balik di mairu streamer long sule robot sule yai ban. Mas ndap stream kawai nai di nai le yai la jot la ta tilayap na du meno la.
Do you want to
Ya
make
ai la
friends
at
with
least
Nana?
ni mas ngkut kui ke stream mut bet hang tu tela ban sedang nak kamat. Ni syu ong bet slam perkat am yang ngiru ngas ngau men ru don bu ong slam balik sedang no kai boleh langsung slam mensis ngiru kaju mentaru kaju la kai ngatang ban de chabar teng hab de chiteng la hab wan biang no ru di umru hab di steng kelan hab wan no stairam ta di umru myo di ba li sabar myo li ba habut no du robot tu mo ngawan stream
All unforgivable.
stream no du robot la.
The night sky tells all.
Wak ubarno, yanun wak ubarno. Yanun wak ubarno, habak rakiawan habak biang por. Kadai bakut slam ka match ba kabal adab ka kut slam. Mdaira baki slam gini ama. Ka match kabal adab ka kut slam. Ya, pakaba. Bakalang ni haban yara ya kani ka schedule bro. Namar ka dab slam jong to ka match am tingi hab. Kumta am ni haban penihap ka por. Ndrei bandong bet wak ubon am no la habak ka slam ka match bal adab te.
Mighty oaks from little acorns grow.
La samthia okay bro. Ong bet balik di biris ya ngam yo. Mentak sini sa mga kampat di biri rang di stream. Nadu stream mga kampat di biri nomor ba kalai to jonga kamdon. Kala aja. Ngawalai to na numne pas dang stream don ra. Te mdai bang thok mentak sini. Ngam ju thok ra stream nadanga ong biri break am ngasi ong bet ki break ki bapet apo stream jong ki tip bet. Si sien bang la di biri ong bet biri break. Ladang ngam di ko ngam ju ong biri break. Ma. Ngintip ralik juga kolong. Oi, toxic kali ini siya. Abang, hey man. Ade. If you believe you're toxic, but please yang aru nela. Let's go, Drizzy and that young. Okay, we have a match between between Deadlock versus KHASI ØGs. Deadlock versus KHASI ØGs. We have Julian, Nana, Gary being banned from team Deadlock. So we have Atlas, Cecilion, and Ling being banned from KHASI ØGs. We have Gushan Terizla. We have Vexana. We have Bruno and Rafaela from team Deadlock. So we have Kadita, Esmeralda, Belleric, 1-1. And what will be the last hero for team KHASI ØGs? Let's reach 50 likes. Yes, let's go for 50 likes today. Come on. Not only 50. Yesterday we got 75 likes in the stream. Yesterday we got 75. So now we have to get 80 likes. So we have Saber, the last pick from team KHASI ØGs. Tonight we need shot the umaumu. What? Yeah. Kenta ada mau len bos buku. Ya kini siang kini ba la nang ketien plat ong halak chat ong di mana du mau len sha. Di mana min tar du mau len. Awak like tom yo tu lah, enggak menduk kan? Du mau len. Oh, mi orang kenta do mau len mo. Oh, ya kak yo. Yo biri mo orang kenta do mau len mo. Up kan pas nang kamak semua kan kenta ngan apa gas mo. up kabarang ya kini ki hero kemni am kan ikan thang ana gas up jai oh up terkhong no kemna ngelawan syok rumah mu ngeladap ngelakan thana gas haptan be mlong ai la ri biri la tet biri au balip thang mlong pelip ro biri MR Ghost Miklista August abang pelihak ko screen mas so this is a match between Deadlock versus KHASI ØGs layo biri telah KHASI let's take a look at the bottom lane fight. We have Terizla very low on HP and he's been taken down or what? He still managed to escape and instead Esmeralda has been taken down. So we have WARx very low on HP and he's going to be taken down as well. So that's 2 kills already for Team Deadlock and 2 players down from Team KHASI ØGs. So we have Kadita gonna move back to mid lanes. We have 1-1 still in fight with Bruno and Bruno is facing some harassment from 1-1. So we have Hyper Gushan from Team Deadlock and we have Hyper Saber. Hyper Saber from Team KHASI ØGs. So we have Turtle being charged by Team Deadlock and now it's gonna be Turtle been taken down by Gushan from Team Deadlock and 1 hero down. WARx has been taken down by Team Deadlock. It's going to be another hero which is Saber and another hero and Gushan has been taken down finally from Team Deadlock. 1 kills already for Team KHASI ØGs and 3 players has been taken down all together in Turtle lane from Team KHASI ØGs. So KHASI ØGs have to come up with another plan against these players from Deadlock, otherwise they are gonna face some damage there against the opponents. WARx pat dan rapi apa description up ngan pet ngai ki dan WARx menta WARx next match bro ka WARx kan don next match katut kane ma ka WARx kan don next match. Look at Terizla very low in HP. Will he be able to survive or will he be able to get a kill instead? Oh, he still managed to get a kill with the help of that turret shot against Esmeralda. And Esmeralda has been taken down. There is Saber has been taken down by Gushan as well. So now it's a total of 8 kills for Team Deadlock and 8 kills and 2 kills in total for Team KHASI ØGs. Look at Terizla always surviving in bottom lane with only 1 HP and still managed to get another kill, which is WARx. WARx has been taken down again finally. So we have 2 players from KHASI ØGs in top lane, which is Kadita and 1-1, and Kadita is gonna try to hide inside this bush. Look, I lara berlip biri. Da Dong Musa. Oh, look at that ultimate coming in from Kadita, but she didn't manage to get a kill against Bruno. Bruno with only 1 HP still managed to survive in that fight. 9 kills in total for Team Deadlock and 2 kills in total for Team KHASI ØGs. Rada Dong Musa hang ne hai bro hang ne 06 kentha ha umambati de ban let kentha biang nagas yo ngap nya biri kibet. Yo ngap nya biri kibet. Mlong mambati ma kam siete bro mambati ra haye. Mambati ra haye. 0 good luck ma, well played Deadlock. OP rotation, yes, OP rotation from Team Deadlock. But let's wait and see what KHASI ØGs have in store for Team Deadlock. Maybe they will come for an epic comeback later. So we have Esmeralda being charged by Terizla. Let's take a look at the builds, right? Okay, but we have a fight between these players here. 1-1 is being charged by Gushan. Will he be able to get a kill? It seems like 1-1 has been taken down by Bruno instead. Gushan didn't manage to get a kill, but Bruno managed to get a kill instead against 1-1. Look at Rizla, always playing solo in bottom lane, and he always survives. Whatever the gang coming in from team KHASI ØGs, he always survives from the fight. And look at that, he's always trying to survive. And with that flicker spell, he's trying to escape, but instead WARx coming in with a charge and managed to get a kill against the Rizla. So there's a kill from Gushan as well. Saber has been taken down. And finally, Gushan is being taken down. So 11 kills in total for team Deadlock and 4 kills for team KHASI ØGs. Keren parang but kadi beautiful. Kaya nang tumo. Oh, Peter Rizla. Keren parang mga dibiri. Oh, lanang kaktian. Yoktian item. So yeah, Vixana has been taken down. Oh, so it's a 6 kills in total for team KHASI ØGs. Now they are trying to play very well. Look at 1-1. She's gonna take down Gushan, and there is a kill. Just like I said, they are gonna try to go for an epic comeback against team Deadlock. And now it's going to be another kill against Kadita. Kadita is gonna go down in this fight, and Rafaela managed to get down a kill, and 1-1 managed to take down Bruno. And now they are trying to get on the lead regarding the kills, and now we have KHASI ØGs gonna try to go for the charge against the turtle. Let's take a look at all the builds here while everyone is still busy taking down that turtle. Blue team they ka Deadlock, red team they ka KHASI ØGs. Finally la lip biri. Huff. Mlaran pin imsa ma. 42 likes. Come on, guys. Can we get to 50 likes already? So we have Saber been taken down in mid lane, and we have Rizla always in the fight in bottom lane. Let's take a look. We'll be able to get another kill. Let's take a look. We have 1-1 also joining in the fight against Rizla. Rizla is gonna facing a very big problem here, but instead he still managed to survive in the fight. He managed to fall back from the fight, and we have WARx gonna teleport back to base. He's very low in mana, and we have WARx. Oh no, it's not WARx. It's Esmeralda. So we have WARx gonna rotate back to mid lane. We have Kadita managed to take down Rafaela. So we have in bottom lane, we have 1-1 solo player from team KHASI ØGs in a fight with 2 players from team Deadlock, which is Gushan along with Rizla. So we have WARx managed to rotate to mid lane, and he's trying to give some vision for his own teammates, and now he's gonna rotate back to bottom lane and joining in the fight with 1-1. So we have only Vixana in mid lane from Deadlock, which is trying to defend those minions from taking down the turrets, and there is a perfect rotation and a perfect backing down from team Deadlock as well. And we have all 4 players from team KHASI ØGs all merging together in bottom lane. But are we going to see a fight coming in from team KHASI ØGs? There it is. We have an ultimate being used from KHASI ØGs, but no damage has been taken. Is it going to be a kill? Who's going to get a kill? It's going to be 1-1 managed to take down to Rizla, and there it is. Rafaela has been taken down, and Gushan has been taken down. Wow, seriously, that's an epic comeback from team KHASI ØGs in mid game, right? So now they are on the same page, right? 13 kills for both teams, and gold KHASI ØGs are on the lead regarding gold, which is 3,000 gold on the lead. So now I'm going to see an epic comeback. Yes, it is. I guess bottom lane has been taken down. Bottom lane turret has been taken down by 1-1, and now we are going to see an invasion regarding this blue buff from team KHASI ØGs. And there is a charge coming from Esmeralda, and Rizla trying to help with a CC for his own teammates, and WARx is very low in HP, and ultimate being used. The Kadita managed to take down Rizla, and Gushan managed to help his teammates out, and managed to take down 2 players with him, which is Esmeralda and Saber. Bro pimju bu dilera ka game ngabu bro ngabu. Ngabu bro dile. Pi ki ba page stream am pinang bi bangam jubu dile namar banga kloy ban bangan interact ka live chat. Pite boleh nga kloy ban interact ka live chat. Namar banga use sakwe ka device am bangan page ya ka live stream ya ka live chat. Henry ka stream am la nga page nang ni am ka dile ka live chat ka dile. Kadili mo kalay chat da ngapit nang tu. Nre ngadon sa kawig extra device ngapit ngalong ko bapit bat PCI kanya ka stream so. Kambili ra kalay chat. Nre ka stream kadili kibre ki bomod bang stream snipe am kimla ra bang stream snipe. Ngadili ka stream ah. First maniac jong ka tournament no kumno. Maniac la dan maniac. Ka maniac hakani ka tournament am kadi ka first match do. First match hakadi one. First match hakadi one. Yo akamenya manum tu buyak minyak kalat sa bitrix na kumpai. An epic comeback. That's a wipe out for KHASI ØGs, just like I said, right? That's an epic comeback for KHASI ØGs. So now Deadlock have to come up with another plan against KHASI ØGs. Deadlock only 16 kills and 19 kills for KHASI ØGs. I guess that's the second maniac. This is the second maniac in this tournament. Nekom nung am bakal masuk ra tik yo la di third maniac nung am tik ra. Tang ba ka first maniac til adap. Ka first maniac ka ka first day jong ka first match jong ka first day jong ka tournament hi. So a lot has been taken down by KHASI ØGs. So now it's going to be very hard for Team Deadlock to come up with a plan. For now, they have to hold the positions. They have to watch out for the jungles. They have to watch out for the enemy's hiding spot, especially in mid lane, and watch out for the rotations coming in from Team KHASI ØGs. Come on, let's get some more likes. Come on guys, come on. Why only 44 likes? Come on, let's get to 50. Yesterday we got 75. Can we get 80 likes for tonight? So there's a charge coming from Terizla in the center there, and Terizla is been taken down, and Gushan has been taken down. KHASI ØGs are taking kills by kills, and Vexana has been taken down, and it's going to be another kill. Bruno has been taken down, and it's a maniac from 1-1 again. 1-1, another maniac. And that's going to be a win, I guess, for Team KHASI ØGs. At this stage, it's going to be a win for KHASI ØGs because all the turrets are being pushed, and Lord on his way trying to help them out. And it's going to be a win for Team KHASI ØGs. And congratulations, KHASI ØGs with a win. And Deadlock, GG, well played. We still have more matches to be played, and still many more chances for you to climb up the table in group stage. So for those of you who are watching, this is not the end. We still have next match between let me take a look. We have next match between Jobless Heroes versus WARx. Jobless Heroes versus WARx. So stay tuned, we will be right back. And it's my humble request, so please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And you can also share the stream, because we still have one more match after this between Jobless Heroes and WARx.
I'm gonna make a change this time. You better do the same and climb. Are you just a regret? Are you always upset? Do you need to reset? Figure out what's up next. Trust me, take a deep breath. Everything you'll forget. This is now a real threat to every doubt in your head.
I'm sick of the declining mental health. How about you go help out your fucking self? Take control of your life, don't need no one else. It's about time that we all get help from ourselves, like a fucking shelf. Stack the chairs up and find a way to do it all by yourself. We're always deferring to somebody else. The key is to show everybody, don't tell. My God, are we all to blame? We should feel ashamed. It drives me insane. It feels like a game. We all lose and blame someone else because we feel like they rigged the game. But no, ain't nobody ever gonna stop you. Put your mind to it, nobody will drop you. All the way to the top, never stop you. Got one life to live, so see it right through.
Are you inside? I'm sick of never feeling quite right. I'm gonna make a change this time. You better do the same and climb. Are you just a regret? Are you always upset? Do you need to reset? Figure out what's up next. Trust me, take a deep breath. Everything you'll forget. This is now a real threat to every doubt in your head.
Sometimes it appears that we're reaching a period when our senses and our minds will no longer respond to moderate stimulation.
Trapped in a nightmare, in my mind everything that I might fear. And I fight to get by, get my mind clear. Everything's picking sides and I'm right here. I'm running from things that I've done in my past, hoping to become someone that could last. Get out of my way, I'm on the attack. Got something to say and I'm not holding back.
Taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. You cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are have-nots.
You were not as tough as
I'm back, you know that I never left. I got tracks and some music that you never guess. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon nest. Sharp as many, but got hard, I'm ready to change. Scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, 'cause I'm great at that. Oh, you cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are have-nots.
you were not as tough though.
Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are have-nots, who are not as tough as me. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are have-nots, who are not as tough as me. I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything.
I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off.
You cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking.
Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
You are not as tough as
I'm back, you know that I never left. I got tracks and some music that you never guessed. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got hard, I'm ready to change. Scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, 'cause I'm great at that. Oh.
You cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking.
Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
you are not as tough as
Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are got this, I'm in it. I'm hella filthy, so I got this, I'm winning. I'm not a quitter, so I'm not fucking quitting. Just try to stop me and you'll drop dead missing. I'm on my way to the top now, listen. I ain't never gonna stop, too driven. I ain't never getting lost, got vision. I'ma make this shit hot, ignition. Yeah, yo, give me facts, not fiction. Then you know I fucking listen, 'cause I'm on a fucking mission. Man, you got to be driven, 'cause this world is unforgiving. You're the only one that's winning, or the only one that's quitting. So get up and stay committed, don't be asking for permission. Hit the gas after ignition and start acting like you're winning. Make your own damn decisions, don't let others make you victims. Have a thought and have a vision, don't get caught up in the millions.
Yeah, I'ma make this shit hot. Oh, I'ma light the shit up. Yeah, I'ma make this shit hot. Oh, I'ma light the shit up. Light the shit up.
Let's go. Yeah, I said I got this, I'm on it. Give me 5 years and I got what I wanted. I'ma go ahead and finish all that I started. I'ma go ahead and get it all uncharted. I can make this place go off like a rocket. I can give a fuck if you hate it or you love it. I don't do this shit 'cause I think that you're on it. I just do this shit 'cause I know that I want it. I could give a fuck if I die today. If I'ma go out, it's my fucking way. At least I'll go out with some pride to my name. With the fight that I play, that's my fucking way, home. Y'all can sit.
Hello, last dang ka match mo. Parang Jobless Heroes but WARx. On the left side we have Jobless Heroes. On the right side we have WARx. Bang, bang, bang. Dama feeling. Mar banyak.
the ocean is not just a
Dang no. Last dang bros. Last dang. Last dang. Dama feeling lasam tia. Okay. Yaisha kani ke last match mo kani. Lakot kani ka match. Support ni ora basuk sa tia suk. Say shabla shai kasngi.
My magic flows as freely as the winds.
I am Yin.
Last dang ka match di baka delay te takadaw PCF mistura ka delay ka stream takadaw. Kelas dang pi hakapor barang ong i emar banyang hi sabi nong i emar banyang sedang no asdang ka match. Gamar ba hap delay ka stream kam delay te long suno Hano yo i. On the left side we have Jobless Heroes. On the right side we have WARx. Okay, so this is going to be the last match for tonight. So we have team captain from Jobless Heroes, which is Wolverine, and we have captain from team WARx, which is MR Roro.
I love the smell of gunpowder in the morning.
Jobless hana thajman. Tom, beli banya karan kam kai kertas squad. 54 likes. Pia hun ni ban penpoi tang 54, penpoi bit 60 60, penpoi bit 60 likes ta. Nomor ban pei tang 54 ta kam ihun ra. Man penpoi bit 60 ta kada ihun jurut sisa. Dapat bit 0 kan jadian 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Oh jing ibang man poi gitu te. Man poi li 100 ngarahun ka nomor ngapan supoi 100 sisian bro. Bro ngapet ka stream but live. Hahaha. Ha? Bro ngapet ka stream but live. Kom no pipet ka stream but live. Ka live jong no pipet pan. Okay, we have Atlas and Yin being banned. Okay, Atlas, Yin and Karina being banned from Jobless Heroes. We have Thamos, Purple and Koopa and Vale being banned from Team WARx. We have Cecilion, Franco, Julian, 3 picks from Team Jobless Heroes. We have from WARx, we have Johnson, Xavier and Nathan. So 4th pick is coming in right about now from Team WARx. Susi Baka, uwu, say uwu Son Goku. Kalau orang tu uwu, say uwu Son Goku. Kemudian you uwu. So we have Argos, 4th pick from Team WARx. Let's go 55 likes. Let's go 60 likes. Okay, we have Balmon and Clint, 4th and 5th pick from Jobless Heroes. So last pick is gonna come in from Team WARx. Okay, I'm hoping that okay, we have Matilda, last pick from Team WARx. So I hope that by the end of this tournament I will reach 2,000 subscribers. Let's hope for the best. La shupa ong ha Goku day rage. La kai man nga bro. Where is your bow? Mdandra. Hang dia apa WARx mdandra. Hang dia WARx danda Mr. Ghost, Derek Babau, Mr. Roro, the Focus 06. La supa ong Goku day ge ngam day ramo ge ngam tip ira mod yu uru ngam tip ra. Let's go GBH overhaul Pork. Okay, the match is starting. We have Jobless Heroes, which is blue team, and the red team is WARx. Okay, 55 likes already. Let's get to 60 likes. Kanat nga kamlong sakot sa hadyo. Pensay lang sun. Si tap la tu sumkat internet si tap kan long la bro. La mau bitu fakar. La mau bitu fakar. Let's start. Okay, we have Hyper, which is Balmond from team Jobless Heroes. We have Hyper Nathan from team WARx. We have seen so many players picking Nathan in this tournament. So we have a miss hook from Franco. Let's take a look. I'm going to see some rotation coming in from both the squads here. We have Argus along with Julian in bottom lane. He managed to take half of his HP from Argus. We have Clint along with Matilda in top lane. Let's take a look. Is there going to be a gang against Matilda or Clint? Okay, there's going to be rotation coming in from Franco. There's a miss hook from Ivarins from team Jobless Heroes. And Johnson and Nathan already inside his jungle trying to wait for a perfect moment to get a kill against Clint. And Clint is in very bad position now, but too early push from team WARx. They should have waited for Clint to come out of his position and wait for the right moment to go for the push against Clint. So now rotation coming in from Johnson and Nathan going back to mid lane, and Johnson is going back again to top lane, and Nathan is going back to top lane. So we have Balmond is joining in the fight with Julian in bottom lane to fight against Dyrot, or to fight against Argos. So we have Xavier, the only player in mid lane from team WARx who hasn't been rotating that much in this match. Ooh, it's just a cute reaction. Ooh, it's just a cute reaction. La met kertang. 69 likes. La poi say 69, but poi 69. Ooh, the poi 69 likes to OP ba. So we have a rotation from Johnson in bottom lane along with Argus. So we have two players from both the teams, and now we have Cecilia joining in the fight from team Jobless Heroes. What a nice hook coming in from Franco. Will he be able to get a kill? But Nathan is joining in the fight with his own teammates. But Nathan is gonna die, and Cecilion, look at the damage coming from Cecilion. And Nathan has been taken down. That's the first kill for team Jobless Heroes. Sapit YouTube uwu kabali ako no ikin shaman tumo. Ap sapit kai. Henrete ya durla. Naraday siya ang mapiday bro. Ani nga mong sura. OPR flicker hook. Yes bro, OPR flicker hook. Come on pakar, kill them. Oh, Johnson. Uff, kertang rumah takat ba. Dama filen. Bentay na sembrang na dama filen. Okay, there's a charge coming in from Matilda. Yes, from Matilda. Nasi pakla Matilda pa Melissa. Okay, there's a charge coming in from Matilda just now, and she managed to take some of Clint's HP, and she's been taking down some HP as well. There's a charge against Argus, and Argus is losing half of his HP, but he still have his ultimate, so no worries for Argus. So we have three players all together from team Jobless Heroes, and Balmond is waiting for the right moment, trying to charge against Nathan, trying to disturb him from taking that blue buff. And he managed to take the buff with his ultimate and a nice invasion. And now it's going to be a turtle charge coming from Jobless Heroes. WARx, they have to watch out for team Jobless Heroes in taking all those buff and in taking all those turtles. Otherwise, they are gonna be behind regarding gold. Look at that, they are already behind in gold for 3,000 gold and 13,000 gold for team Jobless Heroes and 11,000 gold for team WARx. So let's take a look back to top lane between Matilda and Clint. It's going to be a rotation coming in from Franco. Will he be able to get a hook? Ultimate. He's trying to flick and use his ultimate, but Matilda managed to escape from that Franco's trap. But It's going to be 2 players all together here, which is Clint along with Franco, and Johnson is on his way trying to take down Balmont. Balmont is gonna be in a very big problem, but he still managed to escape with his flick spell. And there it is. They are going to fall back. Balmont is going to teleport back to base maybe, or maybe he's going to try to take down those minions in the jungle. So we have Johnson along with Argus trying to move back to bottom lane because this turret is going to go down. We have Julian trying to do his own job, trying to take down the turret, and there it is. Turret is still standing in bottom lane with only 1 HP. Siya ito Nathan WARx bahay par first game. Unia kan Nathan. Oh, unia mday si unia Nathan. Unia kan lihat kay Nathan 06. Mostly used by girl. Okay, bro. Okay. Let's go. Ta. Ngomong syura. Katukan tiền đây là cắm log ra tu tiền kamu. Amat sebut kang nama YouTube sudah berlaku. Okay, look at the fight happening in bottom lane. Maybe Argus is going to go down against in a fight with Julian, but Julian is going to get charged by Johnson. There's a charge coming in from Johnson, and Julian, will he be able to take down Argus? Argus is very low in HP, and there is Turtle, another Turtle for Balmont, and that's the second Turtle for Team Jobless Heroes. 60 likes already. Oh, by sab, let's get to 70 likes. Okay, come on. 60 likes. Can we get 60 likes? We already got 60. Can we get to 70 likes? 70. Please, 70 likes. Let's get to 70 likes. Come on, boys and girls. Come on. So we have mid lane turret has been taken down by Team Jobless Heroes. 1 kills each from both the teams. Both the teams are playing very safe here. And now it has coming in from both teams here, and it seems like Johnson is gonna be taken down, and there it is. Sicilian managed to take down Johnson. So much damage, and there it is. 2 kills already for Team Jobless Heroes, and both the teams are playing very nice here. And finally, 3rd kill for Team Jobless Heroes. Balmont managed to take down a kill against Xavier, and we have Argus already activating his ulti, and it seems like he's gonna go down. Clint managed to take down Argus, and a perfect hook coming in from Franco, and an ultimate. We have Matilda has been taken down, so it's a total of 6 kills for Team Jobless Heroes. Franco, don't come hook miss bro. Bro, come on, WARx, win this game. Me Nathan last game use Clint. Oh, komod kia swap kan komod. Klaya swap komod day. Franco hook no ya ukrip se ba iskun. Tu kentian long dang la batim si. Tu kentian long dang la batim si. Biu lip lat. Kom no li lip lat sama kolot la. Hangi sini sa kumling kam lip lat ra. Kom no sama kolot lip lat. Mesiala le kenteniat plat mes tu ma kolot imat. Lip lat. La ibon mo pit klim kom kaya iman lip lat sinan government. Okay, there it is. Matilda has been taken down, and we have another kill. 7 kills in total for Team Jobless Heroes. Another kill. Nathan has been taken down. 8 kills in total, and only 1 kill for Team WARx. Oh, too much on the lead for Team Jobless Heroes. Now WARx have to come up with a perfect plan to tackle against Jobless Heroes, and Balmont always manage to invade the enemy buff. So there is a perfect hook from Franco. He's angry. I guess Franco is watching the live chat in the stream, because so many people are saying that he doesn't hook anyone, and now he's having a perfect hook against the enemies. So there is you have seen hooks by hooks coming in from Franco. Omdeira u klam le kai. Okay. Pisia pia kami tip baha mo namar ba pia support yang team te pia tip baha hi mano bela kai mano bela kai nga perspektif te labun plat ki team bela kai kham jara bangan tip uno bela kai nga shutip tang ban check uno register but uno bam register apa tournament pang kata hinga tip. What a perfect hook again from Franco against Johnson, and Johnson is gonna die. There is Julian managed to take down a kill. and another kill maybe. Argos activating his ultimate and he's gonna die. There it is. Clint managed to take down a kill. Look at Balmon coming in from backwards and managed to take down a kill, and seems like Matilda is gonna go down. Clint managed to take down a kill. Xavier, the only hero still standing, and Julian managed to take down another turret, and there it is. Lord is coming in from bottom lane, and it is gonna go down. And look at that, Xavier has been taken down by Balmon's ultimate, and Balmon has been taken down by Johnson with the help of that main base turret. So we have Johnson is gonna go down, and it seems like there it is. Johnson has been taken down by Sicilian, and it's a final win, final blow coming in with the help of Lord. And a final win for Team Jobless Heroes. Congratulations, Jobless Heroes and WARx. You have put up a good fight, and still GG, well played to both the teams. And this is the last match of the day. And thank you so much everyone for watching. See you guys again tomorrow from 9:30 p.m. onwards. We are going to have 4 matches tomorrow. And thank you so much everyone. Okay, you've made the stream complete with all the likes and with all the subscription and with all the membership subscription as well. Thank you so much everyone. As always, good night, bye bye, and peace. And if you have any questions or maybe anything you want to ask me, I will come in the live chat and I will reply to each and every questions for 5 or 6 minutes. Okay, I will play some music and I will interact with each and every one of you in the live chat.
I don't even know what else to say. I'll let that 808 right out though. Yeah. I'm in it. I'm hella filthy, so I got this, I'm winning. I'm not a quitter, so I'm not fucking quitting. Just try to stop me and you'll drop dead missing. I'm on my way to the top now, listen. I ain't never gonna stop, too driven. I ain't never getting lost, got vision. I'ma make this shit hot, ignition. Yeah, y'all give me facts, not fiction. Then you know I fucking listen, cause I'm on a fucking mission. Man, you got to be driven, cause this world is unforgiving. You're the only one that's winning or the only one that's quitting. So get up and stay committed, don't be asking for permission. Hit the gas after ignition and start acting like you're winning. Make your own damn decisions, don't let others make you victims. Have a thought and have a vision, don't get caught up in the millions. Yeah, I'ma make this shit hot. Oh, I'ma light the shit up. Yeah, I'ma make this shit hot. Oh, I'ma light the shit up. got this, I'm on it. Give me 5 years and I got what I wanted. I'ma go ahead and finish all that I started. I'ma go ahead and get it all uncharted. I can make this place go off like a rocket. I can give a fuck if you hate it or you love it. I don't do this shit cause I think that you're on it. I just do this shit cause I know that I want it. I could give a fuck if I die today. If I'ma go out, it's my fucking way. At least I'll go out with some pride to my name. With the fight, not a play, that's my fucking way, ho. Y'all can sit back and think you heard the best of me. I can guarantee that you haven't seen the rest of me. I can guarantee that this shit's gonna be my destiny. And I will never sleep till I make it, then I'll rest in peace.
Yeah, I'ma make this shit hot. Oh, I'ma light this shit up. Yeah, I'ma make this shit hot. Oh, I'ma light this shit up.
With the best, you fucking with the facts. Yeah, I don't even know what else to say. I'm gonna let that 808 right out though.